Alright guys, I'm having midlife crisis. Let's go spend some money at Dollar Tree, okay? My hair is everywhere. Okay. I'm also looking for let's go to the beauty section first because I always obsess about it the most. Oh my god, they have it. I saw Dollar Tree post this on their Instagram. They have the marble. Oh my god. Look y'all, more charms. I'm gonna get these. I don't have this case, so we're gonna get that. Oh my gosh. What? We are hitting a jackpot. We're gonna get this too. I love having a midlife crisis. My absolute favorite. So let's do some restocks on this. And ooh, look at that eyeshadow. That's cool. That's new. Ooh, this is a dupe too. I forget to what, but it's definitely a dupe. This primer is a dupe to the e.l.f., which is really good. Okay, let's do a restock on my favorite socks. I love these. So we're gonna get those. Okay, let's see if they have any cute socks. I definitely like, this is cute. Wild Cherry Pepsi, but I would love like Coca-Cola instead. We've got Bob Ross. Look at the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Also, Micah and I are gonna go see Toy Story. So I guess if there's any Toy Story ones, but I don't see some. I don't see any. Here's strawberry, but I'm gonna pass. Ooh, these look new. Little finger paint soaps. How cute are those? I love this little section. Always gotta go through it. Pretty much have all this. I don't think I have this body milk though. Definitely gotta get that. I did hold this though, so I didn't realize that there was this to the collection. Look, you guys. Okay, gotta get that for sure. I've already gotten all of the Alice in Wonderland, but I don't have this collection. But I think I'm okay with it. I'm not gonna get it today. Okay, I also already got these shower steamers. Wait, I don't have the glitter ones. Okay, let's get those. I cannot believe I'm hitting a jackpot of the sanitizers. Like, that just never happens for me, like never. Oh, you know what? I need some soap for my half bath. Let's do toasted coconut. I think this looks so pretty. And if you didn't watch my decorate with me, definitely go watch it, because in my half bath I did my I pulled out some of my old decor for my sailboats, and I think this would look really pretty in there. So I'll link that video down below. I already got these. I already got all these. I already have that. I already have all of that. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, let's look at the hair section. Oh, I told myself I was gonna get beer dye to dye my eyebrows. Should I do that? I really don't know. I love my Dollar Tree hair stuff. I also wear basically only Dollar Tree hair clips. So, I don't like these though. I love, oh, this one with the polka dots. Oh my god. Oh my god, this one's gonna, there's no more. This one's definitely going viral. If it will go viral if it hasn't already. Oh my gosh, there's only one, you guys. These are fun. These are so fun. Look how pretty those are. But metal doesn't work for me because my hair is very thin. So unfortunately, metal doesn't go. I already got all these styling creams too, and then I already have like this hair oil. Remember when I used to buy my hairbrushes all the time from here? That's the one thing I just think isn't that good, are the hairbrushes. Okay, let's take a look at their soap. I already got these two by the spot that carry these body washes, so I already got those. Okay. now let's go over to this section back here and see what they got going on with 4th of July. Because I'm about to decorate the house. Look, they've got like croc dupes. Aren't those fabulous? Okay, this store's kind of bare bones, but obviously I'm hitting that jackpot. Okay guys, these are back. Definitely run to get these because I did a DIY with them, and I will link that DIY down below. But you want to look for these, okay, with the wooden stars. I feel like I should get some more, so I think I'm going to. These look new. These are more metal though. These are really cool actually. I could definitely do a DIY. Ooh, yes, they have red. Okay, let's get one of each set, and maybe I'll do a DIY with those. All right, I'm also looking for the flags, but I feel like those are gone. Ooh, they have door banners. That's really cool. I'm looking for like the regular flags, but I don't see them at all. Like the little ones, you know? Oh, that sucks. I feel like they're probably all gone from Memorial Day. Dang, that sucks. What is this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. These with the little hat too are so freaking cute. Wait, they have this one too. Ooh, these are so cute. We're gonna get a pack of those. Look at these little erasers. I told you guys I'm collecting, so let's get that. It's actually a really cute pen. We're gonna get that too. Ooh, these came back. I definitely have to get some of these. And I think that there's a pink one. Yep, here it is. So let's get a pink. Okay. I didn't know they had these. Okay, we're gonna get one of these. Okay. I'm tempted to get highlighters, but I don't need them because I'm crazy. You know the flashcards are over here, right? You know I'm gonna get some, right? Okay. Ooh, coloring books. Love me some. Ooh, Lisa Frank stickers. We're gonna get some Lisa Frank stickers.